I have been using skin barrier creams for a while because I'm always so obsessed in keeping my skin barrier nourished. After all, it's our first defense against all odds, diba? I know I'm not the only one who experienced this. Yung bigla ka na lang magbe-breakout or biglang mag-a-apple pie cheeks ka sa sobrang pula at hihap din ng skin mo. Especially if you're someone who uses retinols, 'di ba? Napaka-harsh niyan sa skin at pag napasobra, especially if beginner ka tapos napasobra yung lagay mo, that will surely damage your skin barrier. So this all-in-one barrier cream is loaded with 5% panthenol. Para siyang fire extinguisher sa face mo na kapag iritado or medyo namumula na yung balat mo due to sensitivity, Panthenol steps up to put out the fire instantly. Actually, no, I used to think na kailangan siya ng 10-step routine at it will take a while, siguro mga 3 days at maximum or minimum, for of waiting bago po kumalma yung skin ko. But I was dead wrong kasi this one literally comes the quite impressive, diba? Plus, it has 10% moisturizing components in it pa. So, it's not just putting water back to your skin. It's like fixing the cracks in your skin walls so the moisture will stay inside. It helps strengthen our skin barrier that way pala para hindi na basta-basta tinatabla ng irritation. And the texture is so perfect. Hindi siya malagkit or greasy. Whether you have a normal, dry, or super sensitive skin, it just sinks in. And about the scent pala, wala siyang amoy at all, zero, which is exactly what you want when your skin is acting up. Walang fragrance na pwedeng matrigger ng extra redness. True to its name talaga siya na parang pang-emergency repair for your skin barrier. So if you're interested to try and see the magic for yourself, you can check it out. The link down below, guys.